Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at Triple H RV right here in Haleyville, Alabama. Now yes, I've got my shades on because this dude is hot, so let's get started. This is a 2025 KZ Connect model number 293 RB. So let's get started. The length on this Connect is 34 feet. The dry weight is 8,060 with a hitch weight of 1,020. GVWR of 9,305 pounds. Wow.
Wow. Wow is right. It's been a while since we brought you guys a Connect. And if you've watched our channel for any length of time, you know that we have a Connect. Ours is a little bit older, but we have absolutely loved it. But let's get started on this one right up front. Of course, your propane's going to go under this cover. Now, if you need a trailer hitch lock, hang around to the end of our video. We would like to share a great product with you from Proven Industries.
BAL.
BAL frame on this.
Same thing we got on ours.
Of course, your batteries are going to go back there.
And just to let everybody know, this one was made in February of 25.
Yes, and it's April right now, so
Yep.
about as new as you can get. All right, you've got some storage up here. You see that it's pre-wired for solar. We'll show you the rest of that when we get to the other side.
Well, alrighty then.
This is going to have rack and pinion slides all the way around. This is going to be some storage underneath your bed.
Hey, alright, I like it.
Nice area. That would be great to slide your folding chairs.
Yeah, folding
in.
chairs. Yeah.
Absolutely. You
Yeah.
have a dump area right here.
Hey, they put Goodyear tires on these.
Goodyears, and you're going to have the BAL exact suspension on these. But wait, there's more storage down
Hey,
here.
here's another one.
So here's some more. I don't know if you can tell how high it goes up in there, but that's actually pretty good storage. You have another dump area here.
All your water hookups be right there.
Right there.
Oh, I'm sorry. Tankless water heater.
Yeah, you missed my cue there. All right, coming around to the back, your spare is going to be back here. You do have a ladder to access your roof, and it is prepped for a backup camera. And this is going to have electronic stabilizers.
Electric stabilizing.
I like pushing a button. I just really do.
Hey, that's cool. There you got your TV mount.
Outside TV mount. Power
But your black tank flush is over here
is on this side.
on the camp side.
Above a plug-in. Okay.
Okay.
Not sure what KZ was thinking there, but
Leave me your comment on that. You don't see the black tank on the camp side very often. Okay.
okay.
Sorry.
Somewhere, there it is, right back there is your quick connect. And your awning.
20 foot.
20-foot power awning. Again, another rack and pinion slide here. And right up here at the front is going to be the other side of your pass-through. And you see that you've got a light switch for your lights on your front cap, and it is prepped for tire link.
And I've got one more thing to kind of add to what we were looking at. Your awning goes over the slide.
Yeah. So, yeah, you're going to lose a little bit of your sitting area because of this slide.
But I think it's going to make up for it once we get in.
Yeah, I think when you see the inside, you're going to like it. We have not seen this floor plan before.
And this is out to my friend Dennis, who loves this type of floor plan.
Oh, yeah. We think you're going to like it. Coming on in. We'll take a really quick glance around. And as you can see, this is a rear bath model. So, hey, let's just go all the way to the back. And we'll start back here.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah, this one is really nice. Now, I am so jealous because the ceiling heights on these are quite a bit higher than ours.
Mm-hmm.
So, yes, I'm a bit jealous. But now, Jeremy's 6 feet tall. There's a skylight back here. Plenty of room. And this is a
30 by 36.
30 by 36 shower.
Look at this.
Yes, and they give you a window with blackout shades and the window actually opens. Porcelain foot flush toilet. Guys, look at this leg room in here. Whew, lots of it.
Now, this is Well, go ahead.
Yeah, the linen closet in here is actually a good size. Sometimes these things are so narrow that you can barely get a towel in, but this actually has good size. You're going to have dual medicine cabinets up here, so there's a mirror on each side, and then there's the open storage right in the middle. Dual sinks. I know some people hate them.
That's a love and hate relationship with some people.
It is, but
it would absolutely work for us.
Yes, now we would use this because we do get ready at the same time, and there's a lot of counter space here. There's storage underneath. You've got drawers here in the middle, and then you have this really neat accent lighting at the bottom.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so we're not finished in the bathroom. Look at this, guys. So this is one of those multi-purpose. You can use it for hanging. You could add shelves.
Yeah.
You could do combo washer dryer in here.
Oh, yeah. It'd be nothing to adding shelf across here and use it for towels. I mean,
yeah,
goodness.
I mean, so,
wow.
yeah. Amazing. You got a nice sliding door
I love
here.
what they've done to the new doors.
Yeah, new pattern on the doors, new finishes. The floors are lighter. The cabinets are more of a taupe. I'm not sure how this is going to show up, because so they're more of a taupe color. They have been a little bit on the gray side in the past. But hey, let's get started. You've got like open shelving right here.
I like it.
I don't know that you could put anything on it traveling.
Yeah.
But once you get somewhere, great for extra storage.
Put my picture of Rosie up there.
Storage up above your TV. And this TV is actually mounted in place, so this is not a televator, but you've got some counter space in front of it.
Oh, come here.
Yeah. So then you've got some behind the smoke glass there, so that would be great. I don't know, a gaming system won't fit in that, will it?
Maybe it'll. No, it might
No.
come more fitting in here than it would in that
Yeah,
one.
a Roku would fit in there though.
Oh, yeah.
But they give you a smart TV, so you don't need it.
Well-
Down below, you got an electric fireplace.
And this is on a.
It does swivel, but no, there's not a window behind it.
No.
So you're not losing a window with your TV. Now, KZ still puts their heating in the floor. I'm gonna be honest, ours is in the floor. We have no issues. We don't have issues
We don't
with
never
stuff.
used it.
No, we never used
5 years, we only turned on 3 times.
Yeah, 9 times out of 10 it's covered by a rug. So that's how we roll. All right, up here on your microwave, got some really good storage. They do give you a maintenance schedule.
Maintenance schedule.
Yep, I think it's supposed to be stuck
I
on there.
think it's supposed to be right here, but
now
I'm.
we're in the south, and I'm sure this humidity has had something to do with that.
It's in there now.
There we go. All right, around your cooktop, you're going to have a 3-burner cooktop with an oven.
Do have a window.
Nice big window. There is a good sized drawer down there. Storage, plenty there. Yes, you can get crock pots back in there. I've already measured.
And.
Drawers on this side.
Oh, wow. Oh, there's some remotes.
And all your remotes. Now, this is not a solid surface in here, but these countertops look amazing. Here at the end of your island, you've got some more storage.
You've got this
drawers.
accent lighting around the bottom too,
Yes.
so that's really cool.
Underneath the sink, plenty of room for a garbage can. Nice big single basin sink with a high-rise faucet. On this side of your island, you're going to have a drop-down leaf. And there are 2 bar stools that come with this. We'll show those to you. They're stashed under the bed. Let's finishing out. Oh, I missed a plug-in. Plug-in right there. And this is going to have a. I think this is a 12 volt. This looks like a 12 volt.
Yeah.
Compressor fridge with the little French doors and the freezer at the bottom.
Which needs to be off. But there it went. Okay.
Okay.
Let me just go ahead and go right here.
Yeah, over here you got their coffee bar, so you've got storage up above. They give you a plug-in right there where you need it. They hide those fuses behind this door, so you don't have to look at those. And then you've got another bit of a pantry right up here. Great. Again, heating's going to be in the floor. Now, something that's new for 25. We have not seen these yet. These really neat new light fixtures.
I like that.
I like that. They're very sleek looking. All right, so finishing out your kitchen and living area is this giant seating area. So you've got a 4-section sofa. All 4 sections recline. The 2 end ones are going to have heat in them, and then there's a USB port on that.
Massive window.
Yes, great big windows. They have redone these valances, so they have a wood look to them. It's very, very nice. Controls are right there when you come in the door. Now, moving into the bedroom. Your second AC.
Wow.
This is going to have a king size bed, and there's your 2 bar stools. And you're going to have windows all the way around. They do give you reading lamps in here. You've got plug-in on both sides up there with the little shelves.
There it goes.
And we're not CPAP users, so I don't know, but I think those are big enough to put a CPAP on.
I don't think you want a CPAP
But I don't think
above you.
Yeah, I don't think
No,
you put it above you.
I don't think so.
But you can put your phone up there.
Somebody can correct me if we're wrong.
So we don't use them, so we don't know. Somebody will have to fill us in. All right.
Wow.
Well, okay. Hey, before we get to the closet,
Oh
let's do this huge storage here at the foot of the bed. This is almost like a fifth wheel. You've got a big 32-inch TV back here. Storage on both sides of it. Storage down below. You've got 2 small drawers, 2 big drawers. That is just...
That's nice.
That is nice.
This is more storage than our whole camper.
Yes, it is. But now we have been in our camper for 5 years.
But we do have a pantry that's
we've got
huge.
We've got a big pantry.
Yeah.
I can
All
hide
right.
in the pantry. Okay, this closet. Wow. This is a table. It has legs. So it is a freestanding table, so you can take it wherever you need it to go.
Yeah.
And there's the legs on it. But now this closet.
I messed up. There we go.
You have got some storage down here on this end.
Wow, I can see a bunch of shoes in there.
Well, you can put shoes down all the way across the bottom there like that. And then there's some more storage over here. And it's lit in here with LED strips and a hanging area.
Well, I see one plug-in over there. Do we have another one back here?
I don't know if there's one on that side or not.
No.
No.
Does not.
So they give you a plug-in.
And they give you a light switch.
And a light switch for the closet. Wow. Okay.
All right.
All right, guys. For the first Connect that we've shown you guys in a while, tell us what you think about it.
We were very impressed.
We were extremely impressed.
All right, everybody. If you like this Connect travel trailer, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.
J&A Review is excited to partner with Proven Industries to showcase their trailer coupler locks. Proven Industry makes locks to fit travel trailers, fifth wheels, utility trailers, boat trailers, and more. These products are manufactured out of high-strength impervious materials. They come with a lifetime warranty, same-day shipping, one key for all locks, and best of all, they are made in the USA. Check out all of their products at www.provenlocks.com or find them on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram.